Hello students, we are in assignment 10.3 in this video. Four questions we have in this assignment 10.3. In this video we will address first question, 10th one. The question is, write expression for intensity of resultant wave due to interference of two waves. Using it, explain the intensity of wave due to interference of two incoherent waves. What do you mean by incoherent waves? Let us first see expression of resultant intensity of resultant wave when two waves interfere. Then we'll see what is meaning of incoherent wave. In last video, we saw that when two waves interfere, the intensity of resultant wave can be given as I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 I1 I2 cos of delta 2 minus delta 1. And the mistake I am making here, yes, 1, it should be average cos, not cos. Okay, and how do we find out average cos? So average cos delta 2 minus delta 1 is 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by t time period. Integration from 0 to t cos of omega 2 minus omega 1 t minus k2 r2 minus k1 r1 plus phi 2 minus phi 1 dt. Okay, and which situation we are talking about? We are talking about a situation where there are two waves coming from sources S1 and S2 at point P. Where is point P? Point P is at R1 distance from S1, at R2 distance from S2. So we are interested in finding out intensity at point P, and this is the expression. Now, when you are talking about incoherent waves, you are saying that S1 and S2 are independent sources. They don't have same frequency. So omega 1 is not equal to omega 2. They don't have same wavelength. So K1 is not equal to K2. Now, then in such situation, if you are talking about omega 2 minus omega 1 t, and whatever terms you have following that makes no difference, because the cost term is time dependent. And what does it mean? It means that if this function is integrated over time, whatever is the positive values you have, same number of negative values you will have, and then integration answer will be 0. So what if this term is 0? If that term is 0, then our equation of intensity is reduced to I1 plus I2. And this is the answer. When you have two incoherent waves, means when the waves are not identical in terms of frequency or wavelength, at that time the intensity of resultant wave is summation of intensity due to individual wave. So that is all about the first question. Thank you.